Maybe you can edit this part. You can cut off. Okay. So, how many subscribers you have?
Uh, less than
Okay,
100.
because why? Like how you hide? Some people they hide, right? I don't know how they do it.
So, so what would you like to suggest if anyone comes from Hindi medium and they don't have any knowledge about English grammar, they didn't read any book till now. So what would you
Mhm.
like to suggest him how he should start learning English?
The thing is, in our schooling system, we had one subject, right? Everybody
Yeah,
has, I think,
I
that is
think
English. English subject, right?
yes, yes.
So everybody has. So through that, we get to know so many words. Through that, we get to know so like grammar rules. Everything we know. Just the problem comes while speaking,
Yes.
right? Gr- So you know how many rules you know about Hindi. So do we know any rules about Hindi?
No, no. I haven't.
So suppose if I have to teach someone Hindi, how I'll teach? I don't know
Yeah,
because I don't know any rules, right?
yeah, yeah.
So
So,
similarly for I think if somebody who is from Hindi background, I'm sure they have one subject that is English. So through that they will get to know everything, grammar and words. And what they need to do is if they want to learn English, they have to listen a lot. They have to speak a lot without worrying too much that log kya kahenge, and then what will happen if I'm going to make any mistakes. So just give up all the worries and just start speaking. That's it.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's okay to do mistake in a starting.
yeah, everybody do. And no, like after speaking that sentence, we know that we did this mistake. So
Yes,
yeah, because
yes,
initially what used to happen with me, so for example, if you are using did in a sentence, you are not supposed to use second form, right? So I
yes,
always do to like I always used to make this mistake. After using did, I used to like put second form, like I did, and then second form. You
yeah,
must use first form, right? So
yeah.
and after speaking I got to know that this was wrong sentence. So
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
same
so
here
like
for me. So
hmm.
I have been watching English related videos on YouTube for last 1 year.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think every week, every not every day. I don't have much time, but every week
Hmm.
I get to know about new things about grammar, about new sentence structure. So English is
Hmm.
like a ocean. So yeah, it's never end, and we have to keep updating ourselves. And I'm still
Yes.
learning.
Yeah, I hope you will be fluent one day.
Yeah, I hope
Everybody,
so.
like whoever is learning out there, everybody will be fluent one day. It's not difficult thing. We have capacity to learn so many languages, right?
Yeah,
So we
yeah.
can learn English language as well. Yeah.
So do you
And
know?
I think
Okay, continue also.
okay, I think people see I'm from UP. Like my hometown is UP. Currently, I'm in Bangalore. So people from UP, even my brothers, and from Bihar, from I think from North India, if I'll say in general. So though they have like if I'm not wrong, I have never done a research, but as far as I read on Google and everywhere, so I think they make. Even I make mistakes like while saying we say ba. Like your name is Vikas, we say Vikas.
Yeah, we have our mother tongue influence in our language.
Yeah, yeah, and we know that this is a mistake. So I think while speaking in English, so we must be very aware of these things. Yeah.
Yeah.
So first, like initially, we have to really put some effort to correct
Mhm.
these things, and gradually we can overcome with all that.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yes.
same thing. I also did many mistake while talking with Clappingo teacher, and they all corrected me, and then I got to know
Mm.
about how to pronounce that word. And
Mm.
I would like to ask a question. What's your future plans? It's like now you are coming on YouTube. So what do you want to do on YouTube?
Oh, I don't know about YouTube. So it depends. Like if I'll get so many subscribers, maybe in future. So I'm planning maybe I'll take online classes. Like
Right.
there are so many people out there who cannot afford online classes, who cannot pay. Like they cannot pay, right? So for them, I would start online free classes on my YouTube channel. So maybe I'll do that. I have this plan. So for that, I need so many subscribers.
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
yes.
And yeah, definitely
Yeah,
you will so many subscribers very soon.
yeah.
And
So what you want to be in future?
now I am preparing for GATE examinations. So along
Mm,
with I am also putting videos on YouTube. So
mm,
I don't have much time to make videos. So I don't have any proper plan about YouTube. So I'm
mhm,
just want to fluent in English. If I will be fluent, then I will
mm.
make any plan in future.
But you are
Now my
fluent.
plan. No. I think I have
No. Okay. So what do you mean? Like being fluent. So what do you think? Being fluent means is.
uh, being fluent means.
My daughter, she was there. So yeah, she's playing. That's why.
Okay. I think she also speak English.
Yeah, yeah, actually, she's going
Yeah,
English medium, so yeah, and a whole day she watch Peppa Pig. That is in English, so she speak English, Hindi both.
that's good for our next generation. They don't have to force us, and they don't have to put so much effort in order to learn English.
Maybe you can edit this part. You can cut off. Okay. So, how many subscribers you have?
Uh, Listen,
Okay, because why? Like how you hide? Some people they hide, right? I don't know how they do it.
and
It was
definitely
nice talking to a future, what you are going to be in
civil engineer.
future? Civil engineer.